have heard this question in the past 15 years countless times from both freelance and independent and baroque violinists and violists and even instrument makers. Dimitri, why the bridges on your instruments are black? Do you make them from ebony? Do you make them from plastic? Do you paint them? And does it sound better? And in this video you're going to learn exactly what and why. However, I want to begin by addressing far more serious question. You see, I believe that music professionals, violinists and violists and instrument makers, and or not only these music professionals, face more negativity and more rejection in their lives than any other profession in the world. What do I mean by this? I mean, do you know any musician who maybe played auditions after auditions for years, sometimes for 10 years and more, and they have always been rejected, turned down, and the gig, the job was given to somebody else who was not necessarily so much more talented, not so much more beautiful, whatever you name it. Have you ever heard of a musician participating at a competition, and although they are absolutely not worse than others, others were given prizes and the recognition, maybe chances are even you sometimes felt yourself rejected? And how does that make you feel? Probably doesn't make you feel very good. Probably you feel that pain in your heart. And would you agree that if only you were given the chance to live your life as a music professional, if only you were given the chance to exercise your gift, do what you love, that would help you to become even better? And do you also agree that you're becoming even better at what you do as a musician, as a craftsman, would help you to create a way more meaningful life, not just for yourself, but also for your children, your relatives, your spouse, and ultimately for all these people that you want to inspire, you can inspire through your message, through your gift, your music, your craftsmanship, whatever you do as a music professional. And if your answer to this question is yes, and that would even be welcomed, then I want to share with you a story. And I hope that this story will help you to become way more fulfilled, more satisfied, more successful as a music professional. Join me on a journey to 19th century China, and there you meet that man known as Fine Violin, a famous poet and calligrapher. When Fine Violin was a small boy, his mom adopted an orphaned girl named Meigo. The kids were approximately the same age and they grew up together, and when they reached a certain age they fell in love wildly with each other and they wanted to marry. However, these powerful clans decided that Fine Violin wasn't good enough and he didn't merit the hand of Meigo. Meigo was betrothed to another man, and soon after her marriage she died in a childbirth. Heartbroken, Fine Violin decided to dedicate his life to crafting some of the finest Chinese ink sticks, decorated with poems dedicated to Meigo. And not only that, he also promised, and he kept his promise, to create 100,000 paintings of a plum in blossom, because Meigo's nickname was the Plum Girl. And this is how he became one of the most recognized and sought after artists in China, and she became known as the Plum Girl. Why am I sharing this story with you, an artist living in the 21st century? And here is why, and this is very important. Meigo is that metaphorical gift of yours, your love for what you want to do, be it music, be it craftsmanship. Fight for it. Create more than ever you created before. Make your success inevitable. Your Meigo, your love of what you love to do does not have to die in childbirth. And this is the reason why I have chosen Chinese ink to paint the bridges of my instruments, and that serves as a reminder to my clients that they have to commit 100% to doing what they are born to do, because in music especially, there is no try. Do or do not. There is no try. Yoda. And I believe in Yoda's words. I believe they are generally true in life, and especially they are true in music. I hope you found some value in this story, and I hope you will turn this story into your inevitable success, or even bigger success if you are already wildly successful and recognized. I'm Dimitri. I'm the author of the published book on fine violin making, From the Old Master's Legacy to the Future of the Craft. And I'm also the author of the upcoming book on the Spalla, how violinists and violists can find their unique voice and open new career opportunities in 14 days or less. And in the past 30 plus years, I've been specializing in crafting instruments to order for musicians from anywhere in the world and helping them to attract the respect, recognition, and revenue their talent deserves. And I was also helping other instrument makers. If you found some value in this knowledge and in this story, then you are very, very, very warmly welcomed to subscribe to my channel by simply clicking the subscribe button and then clicking the bell button so that you get notifications about future content. That way you won't miss future content. And if you have any questions, comment below. I'm here to help. If you want me to talk about something that is important to you and you would like to hear my thoughts and opinion and advice on that, just simply comment below this video. I wish you massive and abundant success. That's nice.
Maybe.
That's really nice.
Maybe, yes.
I played all notes. It was not too much out of tune.
Yeah, it wasn't too much out of tune. Bit over here and there I did, but let's listen. Maybe
Nobody will die, I think.